Hello friends, welcome back to the Ocean Diaries. Today I'll give you a complete tour of my room on board the ship.
Don't push back. Oh. Don't push back. Oh. Don't push back.
It's not fancy, but it helps me feel at home.
Push back. Oh. Don't push back. Oh. Don't push back. Don't push back. Contents under pressure. You in my mind. I wonder all the time. When will I see you again? I wanna run away to you. I wanna run away to you. But one must wonder.
This is the chief officer's cabin, where I live and work during my contract at sea. Let's step inside and I'll show you around. As soon as you enter, the first thing you see is my working area.
I miss the vivid memory.
I also use this space for computer work and keep documents related to cargo and navigation. It's simple, but very important part of my day. Next to it, we have a small sofa. This is where I sit, relax, and sometimes enjoy a cup of tea. Life on ship can be tiring, so having a little comfort corner makes a big difference. I have my oven and fridge here. Space is limited, so everything has to be well organized. The oven is handy when I want to heat something quickly. This part is like a mini kitchen.
I try to hide.
Here is one of the most important things in my room, the ship's keys locker. All important keys for different areas are kept safely here. It's part of my responsibility to make sure they are secure and properly locked.
When will I return?
This is my bedroom. Simple, but comfortable. After long hours of work, this is the place where I get my rest.
Slow down. I don't
Sleep is very important at sea because we work in shifts and must stay alert all the time.
stay drown. The truth with
My cupboard has my uniforms, bowler suits, and personal clothes. I also keep safety shoes and some essential items here.
us to be real.
And here we have the safety locker. Inside are my life jacket and immersion suit. These are mandatory for every seafarer, and they must always be kept ready in case of emergency.
Why can't we unwind?
This is my washroom, attached to the room. Having a private washroom is a big advantage as a chief officer, because not everyone on board gets the facility.
And now the time has passed. I see why we are lonely.
So that was my complete chief officer room tour on board the ship. Life at sea is not luxurious, but it's a blend of comfort and responsibility. I hope you enjoyed this inside look at how we live on board.
I see why we were lonely.
If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Ocean Diaries for more ship life content. See you in the next video.